What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Let's go. We're gonna do something different. You know, we're gonna check out a Marshalls because I've stopped by there in the past and found some decent deals and stuff like that. So I just figured, hey, I'm going there anyways. Might as well take you guys on an adventure with me. So yeah, let's see what we'll find, guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we get, you guys. Let's see what we get. I think this is kind of the entire guy's shoes right here. So some Hirachi utilities. A few different sizes, not too many. These are hitting for 40. That's not bad. That's the suede one. I mean, that's the buck leather one. Okay. Then we got a suede one. That's not bad. Not bad. Both. This one's 35. That one is 40. Jordan Trunners. I don't even know how much these are. Oh, I think these are right here. Jordan Trunners, about $50. Not bad. Not bad. This ain't bad right here. Like KD Zoom 9s. I got a couple different sizes. Ain't bad. A little too narrow for my feet, but I can't wear these. Too narrow. I bought a pair a while back and they killed my feet. $50. Not bad. Kind of the red, but got some Air Commands. I've never even heard of these, but I got the old school look. $50. Supposedly 105. MSRP. They got a few different sizes. Not bad. Alright, they got some. What is these? The Jordan Superfly 4s? $50. $60. Not bad. A few different sizes. Got some mentalities. Kobe mentalities. And these look pretty whatever, man. Some old ass ones or something. These are terrible. These are terrible. Dang, these are actually ones that I've been looking for. $50, dude. This is it's called the EQTs. The 9317s. And these got the biggest stack of boost in the back. I think even more than the Ultra Boost, dude. These are sick and they're only $50, but they don't got my size. They don't got my size. We're gonna have to hit up another Marshalls to see if they got one. Cause these, I would definitely pay $50 for these. These normally go for like 80 to 100, 120. So yeah. I got the Jordan fadeaways. They usually got these at the outlets. They got a few different sizes. Oh wait, oh they got a few. Oh, just the 13s, I guess. That's about it, you guys. There's really not much else here. Not much else here. In terms of Nike, Adidas, they got a couple low budget ones. That's about it. So in the clearance section, look at these. Not bad. Old school pennies. I don't think they're in the greatest condition, but they got worn or something. But yeah. Oh, they were display apparently. Yeah, $80. That seems a little steep. The I am 1 cent logo. so these are one of the old school pennies. I got some of those. Got some of these terrible looking purple Air Force One boots. Oh man, got a whole lot of those. I can see why nobody's buying those. Dude, these are legit. But only a size 7. But these are really legit. $31. The what are these? The Pure Boost Go. Yeah, the Pure Boost Go's. $31 maybe. Size 7s though. Size 7, not my size, unfortunately. Would definitely cock if they had those. I already got 3 of those pair of those, but I don't have that colorway. I probably would have picked it up. What are these for kids? These are sick. Shoot, I forgot what these are called. These are the ones that Neon Dion used to have. But yeah. I don't know how much these are. These are for kids. 27, oh my goodness. 27, these are sick. Oh, size 7. Maybe for my little guy, maybe he might want these. We'll check them out. I guess not. He says they're ugly. These are sick, but oh well. All right, let's go check out stop number 2. Look, for any of you guys concerned about them selling knockoffs or stuff, look, they're getting stuff directly from Skechers, getting stuff directly from Steve Madden. Just overstock items and items that the regular retailers don't want. Marshalls number 2. Let's go check this one out. We may or may not hit another one out. We'll see. We'll see what happens. This one, the sneaker area looks pretty big. It's pretty big. Let's go see. Some sort of boost. Look, oh, this one even got Continental tires. Which one's with this? The Energy Boost? $50. Full length boost. Got Continental. Continental top. That's not bad. Not bad. Got my size too, but I'm not feeling those shoes that much. No clue what this is. Ain't no boxes around for this one. Ain't no boxes around. So no boxes. Some random Jordans. These are alright. Old school New Balance. These are alright. $40. Didn't we just see this at the last outlet or the last Marshalls? I'm not. Didn't they have the same sizes? I think they just have 13. This one has a 12 too. And I think we saw this one as well. Same price, $50. So the Commands, Air Max Commands. They only got one size of those too. It's funny. These are the Jordan 88s racers or 89 racers. Just saw these at the outlet for 20 something. They're going for 40. Got a few different sizes. They got some suede Curries. I don't know what year this is or whatnot because I don't really know them that well, but look, interesting. Suede's actually not bad material too. $50. I got the blue ones, $50. Not bad. Not bad. Into the Curries, that's not bad. Not bad, guys. Couple more of the old schools with the Continental 80s. Is that what they're called? Continentals. But yeah, and they also got these. These are not. I don't know what the hell these are called. Yeah, not bad. $35. Old school. Oh wait, look. Got some more. Got some more Adidas Continental 80s. Not bad. Hitting for $40. Got a few different sizes. Not bad. Dude, these are wide as hell. Look at these. They're like the widest shoes ever. DMX runs. Not bad. Kind of cool. Translucent outsole. Outsoles. Got suede. Is that suede? Nubuck? Nubuck, I guess. Oh, this part's suede. This part's Nubuck. Not bad. This is your thing. $35. Yeah, they got all kinds. Oh, they only got 10 and a half. That's it. They have a few boxes with 10 and a half. Not bad. Quality's not bad on those. These are not bad for those of you who like the old school Adidas. Like $30. It's got cloud foam, and it has some memory foam thing inside too. Not bad. Not bad. I only got 8.5s and 9s, so not bad. I want to look out for those. Didn't we see this at the last one too? I think we saw this at the last one. Okay, this clearance section is way more full than the last one. Not really full of much, but you know, full of mediocrity. But you know, but it's way more full. You know, these are not bad. $30. These are not bad. What size are these? Reebok prints. 9.5s, I guess. These ain't bad. $30. $30. Super clean. Actually clean, not worn. Look, they do look brand new. Not bad. $30. Oh, Californias. These are big as hell though. Big as hell. So Puma Californias. I'm a big fan of these. $35. $35. What size? What's the size? Oh, these are size what? 13s? Oh yeah, size 13s. Yeah, these my size. I probably would cop Okay, but I like these shoes. Not bad. Some New Balance. What's that? 574s. I have no clue what price it is because there's like 3 different price tags. All seems like $20-some. Seems like $29 or something. Not bad. Not bad. These are interesting. Some sort of Nike Air Max. Big old Air. $60. Not bad. I have no clue what those are though. Those of you from University of Texas, Longhorns. That ain't bad. Little trainer. Dang, if that my school, I'd definitely go there, but yeah, $40. Not bad. There's a couple other aisles. Look at these. Look at these huge ones. Oh my goodness. I think you can really see how huge these are. Oh, these. Size 17s, guys. 17, $20. $20 for your big footers. That's a deal right there. I almost missed out on these. Look at these. Damn, what size? This is a big ass. These are huge. I can't even tell. Oh, wait. Size 17.5, you guys. Size 17.5. Kobe AD, $60. Size 17.5. Huge. Oh, dang. I was sleeping, dude. I almost missed out on these two. Look, some CBs. Some Barclays. $50 for some Barclays. Dang, I just don't like the color. But oh, size 13. Okay. They don't fit me. I was like, dang, these might fit me. $50. I might have had to cop some Barclays. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, look what's right next to here. Some funky looking. Oh, these are DPRs. The Pure Boost DPRs. I am not a fan of these. Not much cushioning. Size 9. These have half the cushioning of those Pure Boost goes. Pure Boost DPR though. Not bad. Not bad. I know they are good for running. They're really solid for running. Okay, I almost left without checking this little section. Look at this. Okay, what are these? The some Superflies, 10.5. Superfly. Is this the shoe with the React in it? Is this the first React shoe? I think this is. I think this is the first Nike shoe that had React. Or first Jordan shoe that had React in it. Oh, nice. $60. Air Force Ones. Go for. What's it going for? $50. Okay. Size 11. Okay. Air Force One High. Okay. It's D-Rub. Those are terrible. Superstars, man. These are sick. $35. Dope ass colorway too. Look at that. That is a dope colorway with the gold right there. Gold on the tongue side, and then powder blue. That is sick. Size 12. Dang, this is my size. I definitely would have copped. Not bad, you guys. They got some heat here, just not my size. Not bad. The Lakers colorway, going for $190. I got the these are some 12s. I don't know what colorway this is. It's 2? 1, 2? 2, 3. Oh, the price says 2, 3. 2 and 3 on the other side. Oh, nice. Not bad. I've never seen those. $190. Orlando's for $190. I thought those would be on sale. I got the nostalgias. $140. That's a really good price. Oh, they still got the cool grays. That's surprising. $190. They still got the cool grays. So today was the release day for the Kyrie Spongebobs. So I wore my Kyrie 5s for that. Yeah, they didn't have any of the SpongeBobs there. Apparently they only had them in 3 different locations, 3 different shoe palaces. I think Hollywood, downtown, and one other one. Oh, and Tokyo. I think a little Tokyo one. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Didn't have much else that I really wanted to cut. But yeah, not bad. Still has some heat, some heat. I'm at Foot Locker, you guys. Look, I happen to be at Foot Locker today. Look at this. Look at what I see. Look at what I see. They got the, what I see? They got the Spongebobs. They got the Spongebobs. Look at this. Yeah. It's only the kids. Kids colorway, I guess? It's only the kids. I don't think it's the grown-ups. Not bad. They got the Patrick ones too. Patrick ones. Oh. Not bad. All right, they only had the SpongeBob and the kids. They didn't have the grown-up version. You don't see this that much. Okay, these are the old school of tempos, right? That's what they're hitting for. 140. 140, not bad. Cool colorway. 140. What do you guys think about this one? Got them in denim. Got the newer up tempos. I forgot what year these are, whatever. But newer up tempos, not bad. Denim. And they got the camo one. Let's fall down. The camo, that's not bad. These are sick. Just don't know about paying retail for them, dude. That's not what I do. I don't really pay retail. 160. Definitely don't pay retail for stuff. Unless it's super limited. Not bad. I'm just adding to my other videos, so I'm not gonna sit here and go over all of them. Not going over all of them. Let's see. These are still going for 200. Not bad.